into my eyes and show me your adventures I haven't seen. Taking all the life, it hits the spot. Walking on fantasy. So take me, baby, take me to a state of mind that's made of, baby, that's made of.
Okay, for our first land tour, nandito kami sa Maasin View.
Mountain View Deck. Yun, ang weather ngayon is not so good. Medyo maambon siya. Actually, the whole trip naman, simula nung dumating kami, umuulan talaga. Ito yung first stop namin, then second stop, hindi namin alam. Di pa namin alam kung saan kami pupunta.
Yes.
So, kita-kits na lang sa mga susunod.
Look into my eyes and show me your adventures I haven't seen. Taking all the life, it hits the spot.
Ay, yung makakasakit ng siya, di ba?
So take me, baby, take me to a state of mind that's made of, baby, that's made of all the
May ayun yung maganda. Ayun yung
pwede po kayo maligo, pwede po sightseeing lang. 600 po yung baka, maximum po 3. Makapupunta na kayo dito sa fresh water, cold spring.
Okay. Maganda sa ano.
Turumita rin na.
Small secret lang.
So we're here at the Maasim River Cruise.
Hi.
At kami ay mag-river
Cruise.
River Cruise? O ano, John Cruise?
Oh, for only 230 pesos each.
Medyo maulan pa din at the moment, pero laban para sa kinabukasan. Go!
Ay, hindi ko masaya! Nakakakaba! I love Siargao!
Salita ka lang, hayop ka. Huwag ka nang gumano-ano, galaw-galaw.
Okay, ay talaga ba? Nagbayad ako Uy, bakla wag ka maroon, ano? Gino! Isang ano lang din, isang banking lang.
Drone din to, T.
Drog!
If I try, would you pull me back to you? If I try, in your poison.
Kasi may lumalabas na crocodile.
Ang Karen, pasok. Ay, welcome Siargao. Ay,
Redundancy!
welcome to
Siargao!
Welcome to
Would you call me back to you if we try? And your voice said
So, pupunta kami ngayon sa Sugba Lagoon.
Pero, look at the weather! My God! It's raining cats and dogs. Itutuloy pa ba ito? Check pa namin kung ano, kung pwede pa or hindi.
Hanggang pwede kami po.
May ano po kami, may tour package.
Sige po ate. Thank you.
Thank you so much!
that is what they said when you turn
So, we're here at the Mang Pupungko Rock Formation.
Rock pool! So, taas naman yan. Bahamas!
Ba't daw kayo gagalaw kapag gano'n? Pag umalon.
O, ganyan daw. Ha?
Eh, dito may gano'n.
O, dali na, TikTok kami.
And we're here na sa Magpupungko, tawag dito, rock pool. Yeah. Kapang stealing. Mga bakla kayo, eto kayo. Wipe out ko kayo dyan. Ayan na. Ready? Mga bakla! Natatamol lang iba sa inyo! Nakalat kayo sa sorga!
Tayo, sir, tayo. Tayo, sir, tayo.
into my eyes and show me your adventures I haven't seen. Taking all the life, it hits the spot. Walking on fantasy. state of mind that's made up, baby, that's made